Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you what my life is like being a student at the University of Amsterdam. A lot has changed since COVID-19 and you might be having questions like, how is it to be studying at the University of Amsterdam currently, and how does the online courses work? I will also be giving you some tips to make your uni life a bit easier, and let's get into the video then.
So first I would like to introduce myself. My name is UvA and I'm a third year student of the Economics Bachelor. The reason why I chose economics and business is a funny story, because I used to have this judgment about economics and business that it's all about money and maximizing profits. So I hated it at first. However, I came to the conclusion that I actually know little about it. So I started my journey and became to love economics because how rational theories might be, it was always concerned with political, economic, but also moral insights. It is challenging, especially the maths, but don't be scared of it because the effort you put in will be very rewarding.
I'm actually going to the UvA campus right now, so I can show you what it looks like. Even though I have online classes only for now, I still thought it would be nice to see what kind of university UvA is. And don't forget to wear your face mask, and I'll see you guys later. So unfortunately the lecture hall was occupied. I think they're already having a lecture over there. But the UvA is really pretty, it's really beautiful. You should really go visit yourself. It's really near the center anyway, so you can really just have a look even if it's on the outside. So yeah.
First tip for studying at home is to have a clean environment. So the first thing I do when I wake up is tidy up before doing anything. This will not only give you a much calmer headspace to study, but you will be less likely to use cleaning as an excuse to procrastinate. Then I start to do low intensive work during my breakfast, such as checking emails or reading teachers' announcements. As you can see, I had a seminar today via Zoom. Before the tutorial, I spoke to my classmates since we had to prepare something still. The second tip is to prepare the material before your lectures. Teachers will stress this constantly, but I haven't been doing this since last year, and I promise you, it is such a game changer. If you don't have time to read all the chapters of the book, you can actually look at all the subjects that the teacher will discuss and look up the videos. Then I switch to high-intensive work during my most productive hours of the day. This mostly depends on my energy levels, but it's around 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. I spend 2 hours of the day doing low-intensity work, and a tutorial mostly takes up 2 hours of the day. Then I do 2 to 4 hours high-intensity work. When you are performing high-intensity work, it is crucial for you not to be distracted, so I never use my phone at all to really get in the zone of a deeper focus. At first, I really had to get used to working from home because my routine was completely being thrown off. That's why it is important that you exercise, even if it's yoga or just a 15-minute walk. This really resets your mind and
tires me out, so at night I sleep much better. I try to go to the gym at least 4 times in a week, depending on how busy I am.